Mic check, testing 1, 2, 3. The Popkin, which you will be reading in another one of our books I showed you earlier, and also others, and seeing how they played out in the real world in the 2012 presidential election. And what you'll see in this book is that political scientists don't always agree with the folks we see on the news media. The news media, for example, often talk about a political debate or a political gaffe as being a game changer. Look here, they mentioned game changers right there. I hope that's not too blurry to read. And in fact, Sides and Vavrick argue, no, there aren't a lot of game changers in political campaigns. Oftentimes the outcomes are fairly predictable, and here are the variables we need to look at to accurately predict what's going to happen. And so this will bring us up to date since the Popkin books examples are dated. This one you couldn't get much more current than the 2012 election, except of course for the election that's going on right now, because of course it's 2014 and it is midterm election season, and there will be a midterm election while this class is happening. And don't worry, we are going to have material about the current election season. We're going to have reading I'll give you for Thursday, which will be about the 2014 midterms, and then we will return and have a discussion question about the 2014 midterms after the elections are actually held. Don't forget to vote, by the way. It's early in November this time. And we've got the Kansas governor's race on the ballot. We've got other statewide races for Kansas, like the Secretary of State, for example, on the ballot. All congressional seats are on the ballot, and 1/3 of the U.S. Senate, including one seat from Kansas, the one currently held by Pat Roberts. So we will be working in discussions of the current election into our class. I say discussions, again, what I really mean is online assignments, because this is an online class. So those will be there related to the current election. Now, what about Canvas? Let me show you this. Now, if you're already using Canvas, this may be a review for you, but if you're new to Canvas, this may be very useful. And I'm going to give you some points just for introducing yourself and learning how to use Canvas. So let me show you how to do that. All right, I'm going to point this back at the computer again, and we're going to go to good old Buzz-In with Emporia State, and there it is. And if you'll look over here on the right side of the screen is the link for Canvas. If you've been at Emporia State for a while, you probably used to use Blackboard. Blackboard is gone, replaced by Canvas. I'm going to click on that link, and let me get rid of this. Okay, I'm going to click on the link for Canvas, and then we get a recent activity, but what I'm interested in is courses. So I'm going to pull down the courses menu here on Canvas, and I'm going to go down to Political Science 441 ZA, Campaigns and Elections. Again, I'm worried that this is going to be blurry. I think I need a better quality camera, but I hope you can get the gist of it. And here we are. We are in Political Science 441 ZA, and now I'm going to go to the left side navigation bar, and I'm going to go down to Quizzes. I want you to learn how to take quizzes in Canvas because there will be several over the course of this semester. So if you learn how to take the quizzes today, you'll be in great shape when we have quizzes for real starting later this week. So I'm going to click Quizzes, and right now there's only one quiz here. And it says First Day, Easy 5 points, and there's some information about it. I'm just going to click it. And here's the quiz. Here are the instructions. Couldn't be simpler. Just mark the obvious correct answer and get 5 points for learning to take quizzes in Canvas. Here's a little bit of information about it. This is a graded quiz. I'm really going to give you 5 points just for doing this because it's worth it to me to get you familiar with how to take quizzes in Canvas so that everything goes smoothly starting on Thursday. Now, I want to take this quiz. How do I do this? I scroll down, and there it is right there. Whoops, this is the instructor's version of this. Let's see. Hold on just a second. Let's see. And of course, I don't mind you seeing the correct answer to this one because you know it. Somewhere on there, there's going to be a link that says Take the Quiz. Click Take the Quiz. It'll probably be a blue box. And then it will have the quiz here. There it is, question 1. And as you can see, it's worth 5 points. And mark the correct answer below. 3 answers that say don't mark this is not the correct answer, and one that is, this one right here. Click that, and then I will click Submit Quiz. And that's it. And now it's telling me that it will tell you, oh, here we go. Look, right down here at the bottom. Latest attempt, and you only get to attempt these one. Is it multiple attempts is no. I get to attempt it more than once because I'm the instructor, of course. And it's telling me what my grade is, 5 out of 5. Now, for me as the instructor, that's obviously a fake grade because I don't need a grade from the class. But for you, this means you got the 5 points. And you've already got 5 points, and here it is, just the first day of class. Now there's a second assignment. Let me show you how to do that one. Go up here to the left side navigation bar, and here is assignments, and I'm clicking that. And here come the assignments. Now this is another way that you can take the quiz. You've got the first day easy 5-pointer with a Q next to it. The Q is telling you it's a quiz. But you've also got another assignment this time that's not a quiz. It's got a little paper with an A+ graphic because that's the grade we hope you get and I want to encourage you to earn. And so first day intro, click that. And here it is, first day introductory video, audio recording, or essay. And it just says upload your video or essay as a Word or PDF file here. And what I want you to do is make a video like this one, an audio recording or an essay. I would prefer that you make a video because that way we can see your face and hear your voice. But an audio recording or an essay, the video or audio should be about 5 minutes long, the essay about 2 pages. And once you get those made, save them. Video or audio, MP3, MP4, or QuickTime are all acceptable. But the best thing to do, I think, is to make it in YouTube. Because if you make it in YouTube, then you can just post the link, and no matter what kind of computer anybody is using, as long as they have a web browser, they should be able to see your video. Please do not upload your video as a WMV file, because when I'm home I'm using Mac, and Macs can't read WMV files. But if you make it as a WMV, which is Windows Media Player, you can just do a save as. Now, for me, this is the instructor. It's got a link down here that says Add Rubric. Now, in your case, you should have a link that looks like this, but it will say Upload Assignment or something like that. And you can click that, and then you'll get something that comes up. Here, let me show you just briefly. I'm going to do something else here. Okay, you should get a link that looks like this. Files, upload new file, and browse. And then browse will take you into your computer files, and you can look for your computer files, and this will work for Windows or Mac, by the way, and find the video you made or the audio recording or the essay, and then you pick it, you pick one, and then you just click upload. I'll just pick one randomly. And then open, and then you click upload, and you should be able to load it up on here. And so then I will see it in the grade book, and I'll get a notice that there's new activity on Canvas, and we'll be able to grade it. So, by the way, what I did there while I had the camera down on my little urgent notepad there, the pink one, is that I went into the course syllabus. And so you can get all the skinny on this course with the course syllabus. Again, you get this off the left-hand navigation bar on Canvas, syllabus. And I have posted it 2 ways. We have it cut and pasted here, and you can scroll through it, find out about my office hours, including for those of you who are not in Emporia, I'm available via Skype It's michael.shelley3, and you can Skype in during my office hours if you're not in Emporia to come by the office. And here's all the information, the campaign plan, all sorts of different things, and the reading schedule broken down day by day. And I have made this a Tuesday-Thursday course, which means not that you need to be at your computer precisely at a certain time every Tuesday and Thursday, but that's when the assignments will be due. So I will make assignments on Monday and Wednesday and post them, and they'll be due on Tuesday and Thursday. I will not penalize late assignments. This is a work at your own pace course, but please do be aware that if you fall behind, you're going to have a last-minute rush, and the quality of your work will probably suffer. I really enjoy teaching this class. It's where political science theory meets real-world practical politics. We're going to keep it relevant. We're going to talk about the 2012 elections and this year's elections too. I think it's going to be a good time, and welcome to the class. I can't wait to watch your intro videos or listen to your intro audios or read your intro essays, whichever you choose, to learn a little bit more about you. So for those intro videos, audios, essays, whichever you choose, you only have to do one, by the way, but also do the quiz, of course. But for those intros, just introduce yourself. Here's me. Here's some things that make me interesting, and mention why you took the class. This class is not a general education class. You do not have to take this class for credit. You either took this class because you're interested in it or because you're a political science major. Either way, number one, why are you interested in a class like this? And or number two, why are you a political science major? Why did you pick this class? And by the way, non-political science majors are welcome in this class too, of course. So I look forward to your own introduction, and I hope this one has been useful.